I have finally decided to share my secret indicator with my community. Yes, if they can afford that indicator and they understand the worth of this indicator, I don't mind sharing it, but definitely it will have a price. Okay, so this is the secret indicator that I'm using, and this basically leaves everything behind, like stochastic and whatever you say, like RSI and the different overbought and oversold concepts in the market. It basically leaves everything behind because this is the master tool that I was using from a long time, but I have not made the video about that indicator on my channel. Okay, so what this secret tool is, this is called the market mirror indicator, and this is the perfect indicator. And first of all, if you want to get the lifetime license of this indicator, you can contact through a telegram, you can contact through email. Okay, now listen, what is the working of this indicator? As you can see on the right hand side, first of all, you can see there is a zero level. So the zero level is the base level, right? And if you see a yellow background bars here, so this is basically a base level that you can see here, the yellow one, and this is the zero level right now. Okay, and above the zero, you will be looking at the positive numbers, and below the zero, you will be getting the negative numbers, like you can say 4,000, 8,000. So this is a mixture of the positive and the negative impact in the market. Above the zero is positive, and below the zero, it's negative. Now, let me tell you, for example, if I go to the, let's say, Bitcoin chart, okay? Now just look at this part here. We are here somewhere here where market crossed the zero level. Just look at this one. Okay, so this is the zero level. The market crossed the Bitcoin on that time. You can see it crossed, and then when the price crossed the zero level and it is trying to stay above, then it means that now the bullish trend has started, and we should be only looking for the bullish entries. There is no concept about the selling. And similarly, just look at this indicator. Okay, now one more thing. The market make a cross above the zero, but it did not stay. And again, you can see even the moving average is turned into the pink color, and then you can see there was a downward move, and the price also came below the zero level. So it means that this is the bearish trend, and you can see the bearish trend continued. Okay, so this is the whole concept above for the indicator. Okay, now one more thing, when the price again touches the zero level, then it will give a pullback from here, like this, exactly like this. Okay, so for example, I can confirm this thing by going on the 1 minute chart, because this is the live trade that I have shared with my subscribers on Telegram. Let me show you the gold pullback. Okay, just look at this. Now whole time the price stayed above the zero level, and then when it comes to touch the zero level, there are pullbacks. You can see pullback, and you can see again a pullback here. So when we will consider the goal to be negative, so first of all, this is not an immediate decision. Always wait for the proper entry. You can see right now the market is at the zero level again. So first of all, the minus 4,000 level is 4,000 level is here. So at least up to the 4,000 levels, we will still consider the market to be into a bullish scenario. But if the negativity is going, because the market comes to take the liquidity, so it can slightly go negative. But let's say if it is going to the 8,000 bar, like you can see minus 8,000, then it means that now the trend has got changed. So I will prove this thing with some examples, and I will show you. Okay, so for example, look at this one. The price was at the zero level, and then you can see what happened. You can see the price simply made a close below the moving average, and below the zero level, you can see. And then the price continued to be bearish. Okay, I can show you more examples. Let's go to the USD chart. So can you see that the market just touched the minus 1,000 level, and then again you got a bullish pullback, because the trend overall, it's bullish. So this indicator is a quite fantastic stuff, because it will automatically finds the trend and each and everything. Okay, now just look at this example. AUDJPY below the zero, and the second thing, the moving average was also into the pink color. You can see we have the downfall, and still it is not able to cross the zero level. So if it crossed the zero level, and then if there will be a bullish pullback, like for example, if the market goes like this, and then comes for a pullback, and then if it continues like this, then the price will come above the zero level. Then we can consider that now this zero level is very effective. So this is the very, very powerful tool. Okay, now just look at this. Okay, it just crossed slightly, it was just laying a very horizontal on the zero level. No need to take any trade, wait for the proper action. You can see the price dumped below and now turned pink and the below the zero level. So now you can simply play with the bearish direction. You don't need to take a buy position when the price is into the negative values. Negative values means, like for example, if I talk about this AUD chart, mostly consolidation is here and it was flat, and right now even it's below the zero pink moving average, and even it's not pink if you get any white color here, but still I'm again telling you that if it's into the negative values, no need to take a sell buy position because it's wrong. Like for example, look at this trend. NZD USD below the zero, it's continuously staying here. So only selling. Okay, now I take you to the 1 hour chart. For example, start with gold. Okay, now just look at gold here. Somewhere the price crosses the zero level, and then you can see a great pullback here. Okay, and if we talk about the previous trend, you can see below the zero, the pink moving average. Now you can see the gold was only dropping. There was no other scene in the market. Okay, so let's see any other one if we can. Okay, look at euro USD. So just look at this. The long term trend is going on. So this indicator will only kept you bullish because the price is above the zero level. No need to take any kind of a sell chance. Otherwise, the market will simply blow you. Okay, now you can see this is the if the price is coming near to the zero level, then it could be a alarm sign that the market can change the trend. Okay, now just look at this previously uptrend, and then below the zero and the pink moving average, you can see the downward trend is in formation. So this is the simplest form that I have shown you. Like for example, just look at Great Britain Pound AUD 1 hour chart. Okay, now the price is touching the minus 10,000 and even at the minus 20,000. So it means that now the bearish trend has started on that pair. Now what you can do, you can take your trade, you can set up the stop loss at the high, and you can simply go for that trade. So this is the proper information about this indicator, and this is the best tool that if you want to trade the market. Okay, look at bank nifty simply going up. Okay, now what you can do, for example, if you are trading in the middle, what you can do if the price is bullish, so after every liquidity hunt, go for the buy trade. Every liquidity hunt, go for the buy trade. Like this, like buy at a low price. Do not buy somewhere here at the top when the price is already made up bullish candles. No, no, no. Anything that is letting you to buy the pair at a low price, you can definitely go for that. And this indicator works from the 1 minute to any time frame that you like. Even I can show you on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, and you will be simply amazed. The results of this indicator are crazy. They are crazy. Look at this. Pound USD below zero turned pink, and getting more depth inside the negative values, you can see the price is dropping. So this is the power. You can see euro AUD price does not went so bearish into the negative zones. It's still into the bullish zones, like +2 +4. So you can see the price is getting up. And even this was the case with the like bank nifty. This is the time for a good pullback, and then you can go for that trade. So guys, this is the indicator that you can book for the lifetime version. And if you want to book the lifetime version of this indicator, then you can contact on Telegram. Link is in the description of this video. Thank you very much.